Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and are doing well. We have completed the 6th chapter, that is percentage. Now let's quickly revise this chapter with the help of a mind map. So this is the mind map of chapter 6, percentage. We started the chapter by learning about the meaning of the term percentage or percent. We learned that per means every and cent means 100. So percentage when brought together means out of 100 or every 100. Now this is the percentage symbol. So for example, if we say that a student scored 75% marks, that means it is 75 marks out of 100 marks. Next we learned how to convert a fraction into a percentage. Under that we learned how to convert a fraction with denominator 100 and a fraction without the denominator 100 into a percentage. So here we have the first example. The fraction is 45 upon 100. So here we have the denominator 100. Now whenever you have to convert a fraction into a percentage with the denominator 100, we directly write the numerator as it is and we omit the denominator, we omit the 100 and we directly add the percentage sign. So 45 upon 100 means 45 percentage. Now when the denominator is not 100, how will we convert those fractions into percentage? Now when the denominator is not 100, we always try to convert that denominator into 100. So here we have the fraction 4 by 5. We will convert 4 by 5 into an equivalent fraction with denominator 100. Now we know that 5 into 20 is 100. So if we are multiplying the denominator with 20, we also have to multiply the numerator with 20. So 4 by 5 becomes into 80 upon 100. So here we got a fraction with denominator 100. Now we know that when the denominator is 100, we directly write the numerator, omit the denominator and directly add the percentage sign. So 4 by 5 has been converted into a percentage, that is 80%. Next we learned how to convert percentage into fraction, that is the vice versa of the previous concept. So here we have an example 25%. Now when we have to convert percentage into fraction, we omit the percentage sign. Now once you have omitted the percentage sign, we can directly add 100 in the denominator. So 25% will be written as 25 upon 100. We omitted the percentage sign and we wrote 100 in the denominator. Now we will always simplify our fraction. So this is a proper fraction. We can further simplify it. Now you can simplify by cancelling the terms, or you can divide your numerator and the denominator by the HCF of 25 and 100. So we all know how to find the HCF of two numbers. So HCF of 25 and 100 is 25. So you will divide your numerator and denominator with 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So the fraction form of 25% is 1 by 4. Next we learned about how to convert a percentage into a decimal number. We learned how to convert a percentage into fraction. Now we will learn how to convert a percentage into a decimal number. So here we have a percentage 55%. We need to convert it into a decimal number. So our first step will be to convert this percentage into a decimal fraction. Now in the last chapter we learned what are decimal fractions. The fractions with denominator 10, 100 and so on. So here when you are removing your percentage sign, automatically you get 100 in the denominator. So we have 55 upon 100. Now we know how to convert a fraction into a decimal. We will write the numerator as it is 55. Now in the denominator you have 100, that means 2 zeros. You will skip 2 digits from the right, that is 5 and 5, and we will add a decimal point. So the decimal number for 55% is 0.55. Now further we learned how to find the value of the percentage of a given quantity. That means a certain percentage is given to you and the total quantity is given to you. You need to find the value. So here we have a question, find the value of 20% of 650. So this is the percentage quantity and this is the total quantity. Now we will convert this percentage into a fraction. So 20 will be written as it is. We will omit the percentage sign and we will write 100 in the denominator. We will multiply this with 650. So 20 upon 100 into 650. Now when you simplify it, we can cancel the 0 in the denominator with the 0 in the numerator. We can cancel this 0 with this 0. Now when you multiply 2 into 65, you get the answer 130. So 20% of 650 is 130. Next we learned how to find the value of a given quantity as a percentage. So here the smaller quantity is given out of the total quantity, you need to find the percentage. So that means this concept is the vice versa of the previous concept. So here we have the question, you have to find the percent of 5 out of 500. So you will write 5 in the numerator, that is a smaller quantity. You will write 500, that is total quantity, in the denominator. You will multiply this fraction with 100. Why? Because we are converting a fraction into a percentage. Whenever we need to convert something into percentage, we directly multiply it with 100. So 5 upon 500 into 100. We will simplify this. We can cancel the zeros of 500 and 0 of 100. Now we can cancel 5 and 5. We are left with 1. So 1, and we will put the percentage sign along with 1. Last we learned about the real life application of percentage. Now we came across various word problems in the textbook where we could see various situations where percentage is used in our day-to-day lives. So students, I hope you have understood the concepts of percentage. Practice the questions which are given in the textbook. I will see you in the next interactive session. Thank you and have a nice day.